So today we're here in London, in Canary Wharf, to check out the International Hotel, which is part of the Britannia Hotels, infamous for being the worst rated hotel chain in the UK. It's had some really bad reviews and got a really bad rep. But because of that, it's actually quite cheap for London. So it could actually be a best budget hotel. So we're going to check it out and see if it lives up to the worst rated reviews or if it's actually a good option if you're on a budget here in London. Let's go.
So we finally checked into our room. It's only taken us over an hour of waiting in line and then getting to the desk to find out that they couldn't find our booking.
What a shambles.
Yeah,
It's
absolutely
not even
shambles.
necessarily their fault, it's probably the agent we booked through.
Yeah, we booked it on lastminute.com and we booked a suite according to their descriptions. And then we got to the check-in desk here and they were like, nope, you're in a double with no window.
Literally, we booked the second best room. They were trying to put us in the worst room.
Yeah.
So it's a bit of a disappointment.
Bit of a back and forth, a bit of a, not a fight, but it was a bit difficult, let's put it that way.
I was ready to go.
3 mirrors in the lift, that's a bit trippy. Look at that. You look through one side, there's like a million.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
That's a weird effect.
It's scary, actually.
The bar is inside like a funky little cage. Actually quite a nice little view, nice little room in general. It feels really cozy, lots of comfy like armchairs, so it's very lounge vibe. You feel like you're in your nan's lounge, just having a drink. It's quite relaxing. They've got a lovely view of the Thames. You're basically sat right next to the Thames, which is really pretty. If you go close to the glass, you can see it's all like dirty. They literally just need a good clean and then you probably would be able to see.
So we've got dinner booked tonight. It's a buffet, £17.50 each, and that includes a small glass of white wine.
So drink prices are actually quite expensive. So even though it's kind of a bit more of a budget hotel, we are still in London, so you still got London drinks prices. So the hotel's got 2 restaurants. One is a pizzeria and the other is called Jenny's. Very strange kind of buffet, very limited. They just had turkey and then some random like fish cake and pasta, stuff that you wouldn't normally like kind of put together. It wasn't like a carvery and it wasn't like, I don't know, very weird. There is an upside down boat on the ceiling with oars sticking out. Very unusual.
Let's go and check out our room, which is right at the end of all these dingy, dark, mysterious hallways. In room 1147. Okay, come on, let's go. In here. It's a bathroom, so we'll just have a quick look. It's not bad, considering the reputation of this hotel online. Public toilet soap here. Very nice. Handheld shower. It's quite difficult for me because I have to reach around.
Are you sure that's the phrase you want to use?
Yeah, it is. Dirty mind. Here we have the very old looking light with stained glass windows and, oh, they're just plastic cups in plastic bags with dirt on it. Lovely.
Nice.
Here we have an adjoining room, which is very loud. See? Continue around here. We've got a huge TV that's actually nearly falling off the wall, as you can see. Someone's not really paid much attention when they put it on the wall. I'm not going to try and straighten it, otherwise it will fall off.
Yeah.
And a completely empty minibar fridge. In the centre of the room, we've got a sitting area with a coffee table and a fake leather couch. This carpet actually confused me, it's doing my head in, because of all the stripes, I look at it and it's just kind of making me a bit dizzy. Yeah. And here we've got a bed with Thai swans in London. Only ever seen that in Thailand. Very soft bed. And here a grand chandelier, just to complement the wonky TV. They don't really go together, do they? The best part is the panoramic view of central London. Over there you've got the Shard. You can just about see the London Eye. You can see the City of London with the walkie-talkie.
And we're up on the 11th floor.
Yeah, on the 11th floor of 12 in total. So yeah, it's a mixed bag, but it's good for the price, which we'll tell you at the end.
So they have a 12th floor, which is
Red.
the very top floor, and we're just having a little explore now. I think this is where the penthouse is. It's got its own separate lift. Do these not open? There's like a little balcony out there. There's actually a balcony. It's locked anyway. It's a shame you can't get to that balcony though. It kind of smells funny up here. It's like there's a lot of air freshener. It's very flowery. This looks slightly older. Oh, it keeps going. It's like a little maze. Okay, it makes you realise exactly how big this hotel is. This is all, I think, refurbed basement. So we've just got back. We've had a little explore around the hotel, which is pretty much like a massive maze.
In the basement levels especially.
Yeah, all been redone, all quite nice. Couldn't really find anything dirty or old or broken or anything. It's actually quite a nice hotel. The lounge bar area was really comfy, really inviting. You kind of feel like you could sit there. We did sit there for quite a while. One of the customers actually got on the piano and started playing this amazing music as well, which was like really nice. He was really good.
The dinner buffet was terrible.
Yeah.
Really bad.
Really bad.
Selection was bad. The taste was bad. The staff were off in their own world.
Yeah. I actually think $17.50 for that is probably quite high. Anyway, we'll see what breakfast is like tomorrow, but I haven't got high hopes. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
Good night.
So from this side of the hotel, you can tell its age. I mean, look, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it's kind of all rusted at the top around where it says Fridays. And this is obviously some sort of, well, this is the bar entrance, I'm assuming, or it was. Really old, like, stained glass as well. I think we would conclude that it is quite a good budget option in London. I would just probably advise not to have the food. The food was probably the worst bit, and it was pretty bad. Both the breakfast and the dinner that we had, even though it was cheap, or at least cheap for London, I wouldn't advise. But everything else, you know, really nice bar area, nice kind of grand hotel vibe, and beds were fairly comfortable. So we actually paid £127 for that double suite room, which was actually a mistake on lastminute.com because the room should have been about £200 and odd. So at least the hotel did end up giving us the room that we thought we'd booked. So we actually got a really good deal.
If you want to see more of our hotel reviews, go and check out the playlist on the screen.
Forgotten it. I don't remember it. I thought. Oh, there you go. I got it. I found it. Nope.